Welcome to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today I am here with yet another Goan dish, that is the Vindaloo. So let's today make chicken Vindaloo. To make this, I have taken here about 15 Kashmiri chillies and I am de-seeding them so that the seeds don't wave off the deep red color of the Vindaloo paste, as authentic Vindaloo has deep, rich red color. I have also taken about 5 Bedki chilies for the spice and I am soaking them with hot water for about an hour or better soak overnight. This gives a nice texture to the Vindaloo paste. I have here about 1 kg of chicken drumstick and I season them with some sea salt and some red wine for that authentic Vindaloo flavor. And friends, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do it now and don't forget to press that bell so that you get notified about my every video that I upload, and do share my video with your family and friends so they too benefit and enjoy watching my videos. Let it get seasoned for at least about 15 to 20 minutes. Till then, let's do the Vindaloo paste. I have here 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, about 8 cloves, 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 3 cardamom, about 8 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seasoning, 1 lemon-sized ball of tamarind soaked, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and let's grind it. Now add the soaked chilies to it. Add 1/4 cup of guava vinegar and grind it to a smooth paste. If you require to smoothen up the paste, add the soaked chili water and grind to a smooth paste. Now let's marinate the chicken drumstick with the Vindaloo paste. Apply the paste to all the meat well so that every part of the chicken drumstick gets well coated with the masala. Friends, and I forgot to tell you that I had put gashes on the drumsticks so that they absorb the masala well and you get the best of the flavors of the Vindaloo. Cover and let it marinate overnight. I have here some blanched tomatoes which I am going to puree it. Now I use puree so that it gives a nice smooth gravy. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to your pot and add 2 large finely chopped onions and saute them till the raw smell of the onion goes. Add the marinated meat to the pot and add the masala also. Adjust the consistency. Add the pureed tomato. Adjust the consistency of the Vindaloo paste by adding in the water of the masala and add salt to taste. Mix it well, cover and let it cook on medium flame. After about 5 minutes, give it a stir and then cover it and cook it again. cook on low to medium heat after about 10 minutes. The chicken drumsticks take about 15 minutes to 17 minutes to cook. Do the taste test, add salt if required, a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors, add a little of vinegar if needed, cover and cook. After about 18 minutes, my chicken vindalho is ready. Add some green chillies if you wanted a little of extra spice like the way I have added to it. You can see the meat is separating from the bones. That means the chicken is well cooked. Turn off the flame, let it rest for about 5 minutes but serve it hot. A delicious chicken vindalho is ready. And friends, let me tell you that vindalho gravy or vindalho tastes best the second day. So it's better you cook it the previous day and serve it the next day, but serve it hot. Do try this recipe at your home with your family members and enjoy this delicious chicken vindalho. And friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Melita's Delicacies for more interesting recipes that I upload every week. Serve this with Goan pav bakri or better with Goan sannas, and still the best with Goan boiled rice. Thank you for watching Melita's Delicacies. This is Melita wrapping up with chicken vindalho. See you next week with yet another interesting recipe that you would love to try. Till then, watch Melita's Delicacies, try chicken vindalho, share it with your family and friends, and let them too enjoy my videos. God bless.